5, okay.
3 Romeo Delta, taxi into position and hold behind the pickup that's going northbound. Leave room for a DC-8 to get on the runway behind you.
Roger.
44 Quebec's rolling north, just passing the interstate.
44 Quebec.
November 3-4, Mike, where do you want to park?
We're going to Denver Beach.
November 44 Quebec, we better if you made a slight left turn out for traffic departing behind you.
30 Mike, understand the use taxi Alpha, Lincoln.
Is it 30 Mike or 34
November 4
Mike?
Quebec. It's 30
Thank you, sir.
Mike.
Contact Denver radar 19-3.
Roger.
We're doing it.
Roger, good day. United taxi into position, hold 35 behind the Debonair. 243, contact Denver departure control.
Denver Tower, clear land runway 26 left. The jet ahead's for 26
243, changing.
Roger, good day, sir.
Good day.
Tower Texas
Denver Tower, Cessna 840.
Texas 035, taxi into position, hold runway 35. We'll have a maintenance vehicle on the runway prior to your departure. You'll be checking the runway out.
Guard head to your left.
You want